everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change recycle bin icon in Windows 10. If you like your desktop icon to be personalized and just in case want to change how it looks, then this video is going to help you. So click on the start button and choose settings. Now go for the personalization option. Click on themes. Now click on the desktop icon settings. Now select your recycling bin and tap on change icon. You will get a variety of options here. Select the icon you like and click on OK. And now same way, change the icon of another recycling bin. I am just choosing random icons here. Now click on apply and OK. So here's the new changed recycling bin icon. Thanks for watching. If you guys didn't know this trick, then do try it out and share your views in the comment box below. Subscribe for more such videos, hit the notification bell and share this video too.